If you said you cannot date me, right? Me self go do wetin dey my mind.
So wetin dey your mind to do? What is the thing that you want to do?
I'll go post your nude everywhere now. Give bloggers, give everywhere. I have a lot of your nudes on my phone. I will post them where, and I know you love your career so much. I don't tire to dey beg you. So is either you date me, post your nude, or you give me 5 million.
You know the reason I invited you here to my house because of what you told me yesterday on phone. You know, say yesterday you called me with no call ID. So as I pick yesterday evening, you now told me that if I don't do what you asked me to do, that you are going to post my pictures everywhere. So now I say, make I invite you, make I follow you talk. As you can see, Mr. T is not here. Nobody is here. That means only me and you just there, we'll discuss them. And nobody is going to hear about it. You will not go to settle them. No, I'm not doing video, I'm not doing anything. I just tell you the truth. So that the world will hear you, because he told me that I should not do video. So that's why I'm not going to do video to post anywhere. So please, wait till me the thing where you talk say, make I do, so that I will know how we are going to settle this thing. That's why I invited you.
I only have two options for you. I'm not here to fight, quarrel, or talk too much. Yet, the two options is, if you said you cannot date me, right?
No, you tell me, you know, it's not like I said I cannot date you. Me and you don't break up. You understand? We are broken up.
And I beg, you said no, there's no way. You forgiving me, but you said there is no way. You said there's nothing you can use me to do. Abi? And so that is why.
I mean, you want with the breakup.
No,
me and you no get any problem.
There's no even. There's no issue. There's no issue. Me self don't even reason and say, okay, as you know, agree waiting, I want me you do. Me self go do waiting in my mind.
So waiting there your mind to do. What is the thing that you want?
I'll go post your nude everywhere now. Give bloggers, give everywhere. I have 1,000 of your nudes on my phone. I have a lot of your nudes on my phone. I will post them where, and I know you love your career so much. So is either you date me or I post your nude.
Wait, let me tell you something. You know, if you post all those things, it's going to spoil my reputation and everything.
And now you don't spoil my reputation already too now.
How does spoil your reputation? Because
you know how many of my video you don't post. Shey because say you thought say you no go video me today. Yes, you know how many of your video you and your friends Mr. T don't post.
I told you like that it is over between us. I don't want to date you again. But you are the one still coming. That's why I was
supposed to now. I've told you I don't want to talk too much.
I remember me and you did dates. I remember I did not send you any of my videos or pictures. So how come you are claiming that you have my nude, that you are going to take my nude?
You are very funny. You know I'm a very smart girl. When you are sleeping, I used to video you. When sleeping, when I notice you are tired and you sleep deep, I video you. When you are inside the bedroom, I video you. So I have a lot of your nude. I don't even have it in mind to use it against you, but I think like, I'm just using it to satisfy my own fantasy. But as it don't be like this, now to post them everywhere. Maybe as you want they disgrace me, now everybody still waiting you will they hide. Post them, give bloggers, post them everywhere. So
let me ask you, if what do you go achieve from posting it?
A lot. And if you don't want me to post, there's another option. No, just give me 5 million. Make I take face front. The relationship said me self no get interested in because I don't tire. So me self won't make you day your lane. Make a day waiting. Make a day my lane. Because already don't they turn yourself. I don't know whether because say you celebrity or everybody they see you as this person. You just they feel important already. So I don't tire to they beg you. So it's two options. Is either you post your nude or you give me 5 million. If not, me and you, the battle line, we just start to.
So because you came and rented the house close to my house, you were begging me so that we can date. I tell you say we no fit do anything. you came to put love portion in my food, and I know agree. I know I could not eat it because God just helped me. I know that God just do me. I know eat them. Now you are black. This is blackmail. Do you know this is blackmailing?
Anyhow, anything wey you like me talk. Now I no even want know wetin you want. I no even want reason that way. If you like, call am blackmail. If you like, call am steal. If you like, call me gold digger. Your friend Kuma don call me gold digger. So if more na choose, go debate the way they take carry matter. Tell your friend. Go ask am.
So I should give you 5 million naira.
5 million or I post your nude everywhere. Make them see am.
Do you know that? wait, you know what's 5 million naira in the first place? This is not money where they pick from ground.
No, I never see money before now. I never see money before. If you like yourself and you like your career, it's better you provide that money or you date me. Chicken, no. If you don't say you no fit date me, no wahala. Me sef no need you. I don't even want you in my life because I don't tire. I don't turn to mad person. Based on say I dey beg you, say wetin happen. Say you be. I never see man before. I be waiting happen. I be now you find pass.
Do you wait? Let me ask you one question. That 5 million naira now that you say I should give you, do you know I don't have it now because I get a lot of projects what I do. I just buy has finished.
You have a lot of projects. It's not my business. Eh? It's not my business. Now you know whether now Mr. T will borrow you money or moment all of now. May you talk to your friends, may them gather money or your social media people, may them gather money for you. If not, that nude, you see where you no reach, eh? Where you no reach, that nude go reach there. The way I go take post you everywhere, cast you everywhere. Go no say I no be better person. I mean, I dey post. When I dey post me, any small thing.
Who advise you? This is the way you want.
Any small thing, now go post me. If I come beg, now go post me. If I do this one, I go post me.
This thing where you do now.
It's time for me to post you, or you provide that 5 million.
This thing you are doing now. Who tell you say you do? Who is leading you to do this thing that you are doing now?
Na me dey lead myself.
Na you dey lead yourself to do
yes.
What you do?
Na me dey lead myself. Nobody fit lead me. Na me dey lead myself. Na me dey tell myself say na wetin I wan do be this, and na wetin I wan do. Nothing wey anybody fit tell me because when I dey talk am, when I dey beg you, when I dey do everywhere you dey disgrace me, anything wey we do, you go post am. Anything wey you dey post, I dey use me dey shine. So this is payback time. Either I post your nude or you pay 5 million. I don't know as one thing. Maybe if you go borrow loan, you get connection now.
So this 5 million naira wey just make I give you. How much time they give me to provide the money for you?
Before 1 week.
I should give 5 million naira before 1 week?
Before 1 week. Before the ending of this week.
No, I'll give you 5 million naira?
Yes.
What are you doing like this? What's the meaning of this thing that you are doing now?
7 days is 1 week. Oh. You know that. 7 days. Now I'll give you. 7 days. Now I'll give you. See my hand. Just to provide that money. If not, what you know expect, sir, fit do.
So let me say, do you have proof that you have money? Which proof you get now? Because this can be blackmail and you can be lying. Because me, I don't believe that you have, because this is the way you talk will make me go put CCTV for my house now.
And go put them now.
Because of this thing that you're doing, I will pack out from this place and I will
go
anywhere
where you like me you go.
No problem.
No concern me.
I'll soon move out of this place and go to the house.
Anywhere where me self no need you again. Anywhere where you like, go.
So what is the proof? Can you maybe send me the nude? Maybe find a way and show me, because so I have evidence I have. Because I cannot just come and give 5 million.
And when you provide the money, I will show you now. When you provide the money, I will show you the nude on my phone.
No problem. I don't hear you. I've heard everything like I said.
Always feeling important. You and that one where they call himself Mr. T. They use me the cash cruise and with the video we do everything. More now, you better tell them. More than two gather hands.
No problem.
Provide that money. If not,
I've heard what you
your
said.
eye like this. You will see waiting your mouth to go fit talk.
I don't hear what you talk, so you can now go.
Before you call my house before. 7